Good evening, everybody. My name is Ferhan, and the subject today we are studying is Cambridge O-Levels Mathematics Syllabus D. The code of the subject is D Maths 4024. We are working on a concept which is decimals, fractions, terminating, and recurring decimals. And for this purpose, we are using a book. The name of the book is Think New Syllabus Mathematics 8th edition. This is the book which we are basically using. Okay, so it's book one we are using. In this book, the chapter number 3 is related with this recurring decimal fractions, and this is the new topic which has been added into the syllabus, and this is our second episode on this topic. And in my first episode on the exercise 3a from the book 1, we have done question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Today we are going to work on the question number 6. So here you can see the exercise 3a, and we are going to work on the question number 6. He says express each of the following fractions as a recurring decimals. So where we have the a part 7/9. Okay, so the question is 7/9. So the method is very simple. I am going to divide the 7 with the 9. Okay. So 7 is smaller, so I put a decimal here, put a 0 here. So 9 8s are 72, 9 sevens are 63. So you're left with the 7. Because of this decimal, you can put another 0. So again, 63, you will have 7, put 0, and 63, and this process will go on. So you can write this as 0.777, and this will continue. So that means 0.7 dot. Because this 7 is recurring, so you can say 0.7, and you can put a dot on it. So this is how you will do the question number question number 6 and its A part. Then we have the question number 6 and its B part. Let me try that one. Question number 6 and its B part. Here you have 1/18. So we want to convert this into the, so I will write 1 here, 18 here, put a point here, you can put a 0 here, but it's still smaller, so I can put 0 and use 0 here. So in the table of the 18, let's say 18 6 are. So that will cross 100. So what I can do is with the 5, okay, let's try with the 5. Okay, 5 8s are 40, 4, 5 1s are 5 and 90. So how much is left? You are left with the 0 and 10 and 1. So because of the decimal, I can put a 0 here. Again with the 5, you can get 90. You are left with the 10, put a 0. Again with the 5, you get 90. And this process will continue. Okay. So 1 divided by 18, that is 0.555 and 5 and dot 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 dot. So I can say 0.5, put a dot here, which means this is recurring. Okay, this is coming again. This pattern is coming again and again, and this is non-terminating. It will never end. Okay, so that means 0.55555555555. So this is how you do question number 6 and its B part. So now let's do the question number 6 and its C part. Okay. So here we have the question number 6 and its C part. In the question number 6 C part, we have 11/5. So we have 11/5. So what we can do, we can divide this like the long division. So here you will have 11, and here you will have 5. 5 2s are 10. So you are left with the 1. Okay. And then you can put a 0 here, or decimal here, sorry. And you can put a 0. So 5 2s are 10. And so what happened here? 11/5. So when I divided, multiply with the 10, you got Something went wrong. Let me check the question. He said 11. Sorry, I wrote 11 by 5. This is 11 by 15. I said why it's not easy. It's 11 by 15. Sorry, 11 by 15. Okay. So this is smaller, so I put a point here. So I can put a here 0 here. So 15 sevens are okay. Sevens are good. 5 threes are okay. 3 and 5 7 ones are 7 and 3 10. So you are left with how much? With 5. Okay. Okay. So now I can put a 0. 5 ones are 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45. So I will add 45. So left with the 5. Again put 0. Again with the 3. 45. Put a 0. Again with the 3. 45. Still you have 5. Okay. So this will continue. Okay. So you can write it like 0.7333 and dot. So which means 0.73. And on the 3 I can put a dot. Which means that 3, which is at the end, it will repeat. So the answer will be 0.7333333333333333. Okay, recurring. So this is how you do question number 6, and it's C part. Now we have the question number 6, and it's D part. Let me clear this. Question number 6, and it's D part now. Question number 6, and it's D part. Here we have 5 by 12. Okay, 5 by 12. So we have to convert this. So what I will do, I will put, you see, what I will do. I will divide it 5 and 12. So put a point here, put a 0 here. So 12 fours are 48. Left with the 2, put a 0 here. So 12 ones are 12. So you will have how much left? 8. Put a 0. 12 sevens are, no, 12 sixes are. That's 72. So you are left with again 8 and put a 0. 6 are 72. Again 8, put a 0. Again with the 6, 72. So this process continues. So this is basically 0.41666, and it goes on. So you can say 0.416, and on that 6 I put a dot, which means this will be repeating. So this is how we will do that. So this is question number 6, and it's D part. So I hope you understand how we converted these fractions into decimal fractions, which are recurring. Okay. So let's go to the next question. The next question is question number 7, and let me show you the question. And this is actually the concept which is being tested. So let me we have question number 7, and it's A part. Okay, so here you have question number 7, and it's A part. Their question is express each of the following decimals as a fraction in its simplest form. So here you have 0.5, and on that 0.5 we have a dot. So there's a proper procedure for doing this. Okay, so just try to understand how we do this. Okay, it's a proper procedure. Okay, look at here. So what I do, I say I write here let x is equal to 0.5 this. So I suppose this is equal to 0.5 dot. Okay, so I want to convert this into the fractions, and this is the procedure. Okay, so what we will do, this x this x is equal to 0.5 and 5 and dot. Okay, so that means the 5 is repeating and it's non-terminating. So 5 and 5 dot. Okay, now I will have to multiply here either with the 10 or with the 100 or with the 1000. What I want to do, I will multiply in such a way that I will bring this 5 dot exactly where this 5 dot is. This is on the 10th place, so I will also multiply it with the 10 or 100 to bring this 5 dot on the 10th place. Okay, try to understand. This sentence is very important. So I multiply both the sides with the 10. So why I multiply with the 10? Why not with the 100? I want to bring this 5 with a dot on the 10th place. Okay, so this will become 10x is equals to 5.5 dot. Okay, now you see this 5 dot is on the 10th place. This is also on the 10th place. Okay, so now I will subtract these two equations. Okay, from the left I will subtract the left, from the right of this equation I will subtract the right. So this will become 10x. This becomes 10x and minus x is equals to 5.5 dot minus 0.5 dot. Okay, so from the left side I've subtracted the left side, from the right side subtracted the right side. 10x minus x, this is 9x, and this is equals to 5.5 minus 0.5 dot dot. Okay, so you're left with the 5 only, so the x will be equals to 5 divided by the 9. I can check if this answer is right or not. I can use my calculator. So if I divide 5 with the 9, the answer is 0.5555555555555555555555. So that means our answer is right. So this is how you will convert this recurring decimal fraction into a fraction, and this is a proper procedure by which we do this. So I hope you understand. This is question number 7. It's A part. Let's try another one. Question number 7 is B part. So let's try. Question number 7, and it's B part. So let's do this. Question number 7, B part. Okay. The question number 7, exercise 3A from the Think New Syllabus Mathematics 8th edition, published by the Oxford University Press. And this book is the property of the Oxford University Press. I am just using these books to solve these questions. Okay, so these questions are actually the intellectual property of the Oxford University Press. This is a very, very important thing. So here we have 0.6 dot, 0.6 and a dot on it. They want me to convert this into a fraction. Let me show you the question. This is the question number 7, which I am attempting. So express each of the following decimals as a fraction in its simplest form. So I am on the B part of the question number 7. So there is a proper procedure for doing this. Okay. So what you will do, you will write, okay, let x is equal to 0.6 dot. So what does this mean? This means this 6 is repeating. So I can write it like 0.66 and put a dot here. Now I will multiply both the sides with the 10. Okay. So why multiply with the 10? So that this 6 dot will come on the 10th place, because here it is on the 10th place. Okay. So this is the basic thing. So this will become 6.6 dot. Now I will subtract these two from each other. The right side will be subtracted from the right side. The left side will be subtracted from the left. These arrows are for your understanding only. Okay. So the 10x minus the x is equals to 6.6 dot or bar, you can say 0.6 bar. So when you subtract them, here you are left with the 9x, here you are left with the x 6, so 6 by 9. So and then you can check this. We can check this. Okay. So on my calculator, I will check 6 divided by 9 equals to. So you can see 6 divided by 9, 0.66666666666. So this 6 is basically recurring. Okay. So this is how you will do the question number 7, and it's B part. So I think for today that's enough. So in this second episode, we have done the question number 6. We have done all its parts, and we have started the question number 7. We are done with the A part and the B part, and the rest of the questions we will do, God willing, tomorrow. And I hope that I will be able to complete this exercise and provide this exercise about the terminating and reoccurring decimals to you on my YouTube channel. So thank you very much, everyone. If you think this video is useful and that can be helpful, because this topic is being taught on the 9th Cambridge level, so you can share the link of this video with your cousins, with your friends, with your class fellows, with your junior students, with your senior students. Share the link of this video on the social media, WhatsApp groups, in your Facebook, on your Twitter, on your TikTok, wherever it's possible, on your Instagram. Your likes, your subscription, and your comments, they are support. They are appreciation for my work. So your appreciation is very, very important. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Have a good night, sir. Bye bye.